I have with me my people, participants, so guiders in making, and we are happy to be here this afternoon. So inú wa dùn láti wà níbà yìí lọ́sàn-án yìí. So àsìkò yìí pé ẹ kú lé. So àdèmọ̀ pé our purpose of being here this afternoon pé ó máa wà fruitful in the name of Jesus. So reason tí a fi wá sí níbà yìí lọ́sàn-án yìí ó ní pé ká wá sọ̀rọ̀ ká wá sọ fún yín about what is going on in town, what ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. So we are MMM Nigeria. Bàbá òwe tán fún wa the manual that has been given unto us. A rí pé MMM ó wà ń bẹ̀. So ìtumọ̀ MMM yẹn ni Mavrodi Mondial Movement is the name of the founder. Ẹni tó dá kalẹ̀ orúkọ ẹ̀ nìyẹn. So that's Mavrodi Mondial. So and this man is a Russian man, ọmọ Russia lẹ́ni, and nǹkan tó dẹ̀ gbé kalẹ̀ yìí those community of people láti máa ran ẹni lọ́wọ́ nípa ti owó financially. So that is just what we are here to introduce to you this afternoon. I will start to tell you the meaning of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a community of people providing help for each other on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. So it's just a disposition to do good. Kì í ṣe àfipáṣe community tó yẹ pé ẹ lè darapọ̀ mọ́ láìsí pé wọ́n fọ́ sí yín tí ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ràn yàn lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ràn yín náà lọ́wọ́. Òun ni MMM wà fún. MMM ò kì í ṣe bank níbi tẹ́lẹ̀ kó owó yín lọ láti lọ save. You don't take your money to MMM and save it there. MMM will not collect money from you. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa ṣe ni pé ẹ máa ràn yàn lọ́wọ́, ẹ máa ràn member of MMM lọ́wọ́. Then after 30 days ẹ̀yin náà wọ́n máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́ padà. So just with 30% of the money you have used to help people. So kíde ni ìdí tí irú community fi wà. If we are to talk about the founder, there is something that made the founder to created such community. Kí ni reason tó fi dárú community kalẹ̀? Ó wò wípé ìṣẹ́ àti òṣì ó ti pọ̀ jù ní orílẹ̀ ní àkàsọ́ gbogbo àgbáyé, kì í ṣe Nàìjíríà nìkan. So there are a lot of there is poverty everywhere. Ó wá wò pé ọ̀nà wo la lè fi overcome ìṣẹ́ àti òṣì wọ̀nyí. Òun ló ṣe wò wípé kó ń dá irú kan péré kó ń dá kalẹ̀ so that àwa èèyàn máa ṣe kí ni we will be free from financial slavery. Let me open our understanding. Tabanika wo ayé ẹ jẹ́ ká reason, let us reason. A rí pé àwọn tó lówó àwọn ló lówó lọ. Àwọn tó hàn ní wọ́n ṣe kí ni wọ́n jìyà. Àwọn olóde lówó ẹni àwọn bíi bankers, àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ bank, àwọn government workers, àwọn ló lówó lọ. Àwa rí pé àwọn less privileged wọn ò ní nǹkan kan. Kí ló fà á? Nítorí pé selfishness, me and my family, me and myself, èmi nìkan ni mi ò tí ì ṣe kíní kan, òun ló fà á. But tábà wá rí a community, tábà wá rí nǹkan tó yẹ pé kò sí maybe you need certificate to join, you don't need anything, you don't need any qualification, just for you to understand how it works and join voluntarily, then you will start to earn from this community and you will be free from financial slavery. So nǹkan tí MMM ṣe nìyẹn. So ní MMM you just provide help and you get reward for the help you have provided after 30 days. Nǹkan tí a máa ṣe ni ká máa fi owó ràn lọ́wọ́. Then after 30 days na ti ṣe wọ́n máa reward wa with 30% iye owó tá a fi ràn yàn lọ́wọ́ after 30 days wọ́n dẹ̀ máa sanwó yẹn sí àkáǹtì wa. So that's what MMM do. So MMM ò kí ṣe àwọn tó máa ń sọ pé kẹ́ ẹ lọ wáyàn kiri, wọ́n sọ pé kẹ́ ẹ lọ tajà, wọ́n ní kó any product fún yín. You will not be given any product. You will not be given any task to do. Wọ́n ní sọ pé ẹ lọ wáyàn mẹ́ta wá because tàbá wọlé ní báyìí sí and you know we have a lot of something like that networking. Thank you sir. Pé pé wọ́n sọ pé ẹ lọ wáyàn mẹ́ta ẹ register ẹ̀sán dára ní kẹ́ tó lè ṣe kí ni kẹ́ tó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní benefit. I don't want to be mentioning anything, any name. So MMM ò kí ṣe yẹn kò ní ti pẹ́ wá anybody kiri. You don't need to search for anybody. All you just need to do is to provide help with your spare money. Spare money. Báyọ̀ owó yìí àríwéyà mi ò tí lo owó yìí o. Because provide help with it and after 30 days ẹ bá ti ṣe o wọ́n máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́ padà. So nǹkan tí MMM ṣe nìyẹn. So I've talked about the ideology that it's aimed to fight the unfair financial system of the world. Níbi tó yẹ kó lówó nìkan ló lówó sí àwọn tó ń sìn lówó wọ́n ṣe kí ni wọ́n tàtàlákà sí lójoojúmọ́. So now kí ni àwọn àǹfààní tó wà ní MMM if you join? Tẹ́ bá join community, what are the benefits that are there? We have benefits and benefit tó wà mẹ́ẹ̀ the most interesting part of it wọ́n ní wípé you provide help and you be rewarded with 30% of the help provided after 30 days. That is ẹ máa ràn lọ́wọ́ then after 30 days ẹ máa gba 30% tẹ́ fi ràn lọ́wọ́ wọ́n máa san pẹ̀lú owó ní. Let me take for example bóyá ẹbí 20,000 naira ràn lọ́wọ́ so ẹ tẹ̀lé pé 30% of 20,000 is 6,000 naira. So after 30 days wọ́n máa san 20,000 yín fún yín pẹ̀lú 6,000 naira. That is 30% of it. So you will not take it to MMM. O sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé MMM kì í ṣe company. It's not a company. So you don't take it to MMM kò sẹ́ tó máa gbó lọ́wọ́ yín. What you just do it ọjọ́ tó máa ti rẹ́ni tó ní ìdòwò yẹn within the community wọ́n máa send ẹni yẹn sí yín. You will match by the system with that person and you will pay the person. Wọ́n máa send account number yẹn sí yín. You will go and pay the person. You will have his phone number. You can call the person. You contact. You talk with him or her. Then ẹ máa sanwó yẹn fún. Then after 30 days ẹni tó máa san ti yín náà fún yín ọmọ máa kì í pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ then you will be paid. That's just how it works. So and kí ni ọgbọ́n tí founder tó wá lò láti rí i pé kíní yìí ó máa continue. He used one method and we call it just like a pyramid scheme and it is the method that is used by the bank. Òun lòun náà lò láti fi ṣe kíni láti fi lè strategize this kind of a thing. So and this man is a professor in mathematics, he's a programmer, so he has in fact he has some tricks, some tactics in fact to use and he has used it and that's why the system still keep working till today. Tabanika wo bank a rí pé gbogbo wa la máa ń kówó lọ bank tá ló ń save owó àbí tábàtí kó wa lọ bank a rí pé àwọn bank máa gbowó wa lọ́wọ́ wa then ojú wa náà ṣe tó máa túbọ̀ fáwọn míì tó máa tó fi sanwó fún wọn. Yes, so that shows pé inflow and outflow of money is going on in the bank. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni inflow and outflow of money is going on in MMM. The difference between bank and MMM ni pé bank will collect your money from you but MMM will not collect your money from you. You only be paid to pay another participant. But the one with PH tabati provide help, we provide help. Help tabati provide help. Àwọn tó bá ti fẹ́ get help tó ní ìdòwò òun náà máa match pẹ̀lú wọn, wọ́n máa match wá pẹ̀lú wọn pé ká sanwó fún wọn. So the thing will just continue like that in as much as possible we keep on providing help in the system. I want us to know something today. Tí gbogbo wa bá lọ báńkì lé nípa fẹ́ gbowó wa, bank will not be able to meet up with our money. They cannot meet it. Kí gbogbo wa tá ní bank account let us take UBA for example. Let all participants let all customers in UBA go to UBA bank and say and demand for their money. UBA will not be able to pay it, because they believe that inflow, outflow, inflow, outflow, that's what that keep bank running. Because they come back that man tẹ̀síwájú nìyẹn. So one day my pay, every one of us cannot come at the same time to come and withdraw. So àwọn tó bá ti wá deposit owó wọn náà máa ṣe kí ni meet up with those people that need money. So that's just what MMM also do. So and one day believe wey this life until the life ends, that's just it. People will keep on saving, while some will keep on doing what? Withdrawing. So that's just how MMM also works, but MMM will not collect your money. So another thing I will talk about the benefit in MMM, only bonus. There are some bonus in MMM. If we read through the book, we are going to see them. We have registration bonus. Registration bonus is a one-time bonus. Our Tabati join now. We will be giving bonus for our first help that we are going to that we will provide. So, but under a condition, if we can provide help of the minimum help of $50. So our Tabali bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú $50. We will be given registration bonus of $20. So that $50, the exchange rate will determine. So taba check the exchange rate of dollar to naira now, I pay dollar to rise from. So with the current situation now, the exchange rate of $50 to naira is 17,000 naira. So any one of us that can start with 17,000 naira, nobody will collect money from you, please. So that I won't just make so that we not be thinking that 17,000. Nobody will collect money from anyone. So, but if you can pledge today that you will start with 17,000 naira, you will be rewarded with $20 registration bonus. So by the time you provide them of 17,000 naira today, maybe 3 days time, a week time, 2 weeks time, one man send a nosiwa another member of the community. Then we will go and pay the money to the person. So to buy pay the last day, today is 13. So 13 of next month, we are going to request for our money. So then we will get our 17,000 naira back. We will get our registration bonus of $20, and we will get the 30% of our 17,000 naira. I don't know if we can do the calculation. What is the 30% of 17,000 naira? Can you please help me? 30% of 17,000 naira. That's about 317. So 5,001. So that shows 5,001. That is 30% of 17,000. Taba there was 17,000. That would be what? That would be 22,100. Abi. Once you have money, $20 registration bonus. Exchange rate of that $20 now is something 7,000. I'm assuring you of 7,600 naira. Now Edeka the 22,000 with 7,600 no matter 29,700. So actually it might even get to 30,000 naira with the increase and the growth. So that was about 70,000 naira today. We pledge it today. We are not paying today. Edeka understand what I'm saying. That shows on 13th of next month, something like 29,000 naira like that or 30 like that. Once you calculate, we are going to get it into our bank account. So this is not a scam. Edeka, it is time for us to start to see reality and start to believe, to stop doubting. Hey, nobody will collect money from anyone. So that's just it. So after that, we have a referral bonus. Our Tabale refer people. We want the growth of the community. We want the community to keep growing. So our Tabale invite maybe a trial. It works for us.
everything in life is risk, but it is good to take a wise risk, and I think this one is a wise risk, not a foolish risk. So taba try o gbàtà bá wá ní testimony mo bẹ̀ pa máa sọ fún yàn, so taba tí wá sọ fún yàn ẹnìkan tó bá register through wa, yes there is bonus for that. Wọ́n máa fún wa ní 10% of iye tẹ́ni yẹn bá ti provide. That will be our own bonus. So that is referral bonus. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé tá a bá ti da member, àwa náà máa ní link táwọn tá a bá fẹ́ join, tó bá fẹ́ join, tó bá yẹ ká wà lásọ fún wọn, tó wà convince. So a máa ní link tó yẹ pé link yẹn náà máa gbà register, under wa náà máa wà. Tó bá ti wà under wa, help tó bá ti provide, wọ́n máa fún wa ní 10% yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa sanwó yẹn fún wa. Ìgbà tá a bá tó rí alert, I think then we need to believe and say yes. Àwọn wọ̀nyí wọn parọ́. We cannot just be moving around with on rubbish on something that is not real. It's not possible. So after that, I move to the bonus for video of letter of happiness. Taba tinuwa dun taba ṣe letter of happiness because taba ti withdraw. Once we get help, we need to write a letter of happiness to show that we are happy. So if we can do video of happiness, there will be 10% for that. Then after that, we have program in MMM. We have a program like guidance school. If you want to become manager, about have interest to become manager, there is school for that and room for that for us to become manager. So Kata Komasheni online course. So and once we pass out the school, then we'll be upgraded to the status of guider. The Amamada MMM manager. Our now and they organize seminars. We can organize presentation and a charity event. We can go to hospital. We go and distribute things for the patients, for people on sick bed. So we can go round like that. So that is that about that. So then our rules of MMM. What are the rules? And if you come one bed, just for safe participation. Safe participation. Safe participation. So we have the rules. So the rules in MMM is that the first thing is that do not borrow money to join MMM. Please. Do not borrow money to join MMM. You need to participate with your spare money only. So you don't borrow money to join. Don't borrow money to join. Participate with your spare money only. So another thing is do not have more than one account in the system. So don't go and open 2 accounts. Taba register account number wala to register. So if you now go again to register yourself, maybe for you to get registration bonus, then the system will automatically protect you. That is a fraudulent act, and you will be deleted from the system. So another thing is that you don't create fake account to get referral bonus. Ẹgbẹ́ mo sọ̀rọ̀ nípa referral bonus lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Peter máa register ìjọsìn dára wa. Wọ́n máa fún wa bonus. Ìṣèlú máa register fake people. Àwọn tó ń exist sọ̀rọ̀ dára wa. It is not accepted. So another thing is do not allow your family member to ph more than you. I think when we become member, we will really understand what we mean by that. So for the pay, àwọn tó bá ti jẹ́ tá a bá ti jẹ́ orúkọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ìṣe pé wọ́n máa provide help to wa lọ because wọ́n máa believe pé owó tó yẹ ká máa provide account wa òun là ń kó fún wọn káwa lè máa gba bonus. So another thing is do not delay in your donation, in paying your donation. Ìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé tábà ti provide help lónìí mo sọ pé nobody will collect money from us. So ọjọ́ tí wọ́n bá ti wá match wa pé ká lọ sanwó yẹn wọ́n máa match wa ní online account wa pé ká lọ sanwó. wọ́n máa fún wa ní 48 hours to pay the money, that is 2 days. So àtẹ̀lẹ́ owó tá a ní kalẹ̀ ní tó lọ́dọ̀ bá ti ní ká lọ san so that we will not just be looking for money up and down. So ọjọ́ tá a bá fún wa 48 hours yẹn we need to pay it kí time yẹn kó tó run out so that wọ́n lè block wa. So that is that about that. Then another thing I would like to talk about is do not use the same device or PC with another participant. Ìṣe pé ká mẹ́ta mẹ́rin ká máa lo fóònù kan tàbí system kan láti login. or personal office wa. Then another thing is that always log into your personal office to check if your pending order are ready. Tábà ti provide help, láyà provide help lẹ́yìn, a gbọ́dọ̀ máa wò ó pé tí wọ́n ti send èdè tá a máa san fún wa. Ó lè tó 2 weeks kan tó ní ká san, ó lè tó 3 weeks. Ọ̀tọ́ náà ti rẹ́ ẹni tó ní ìdòwò yẹn, tó ní ìdí amount aṣọ yẹn ní community, within the community, MMM community. Ọjọ́ ìlú máa tó sọ pé ká lọ san, then we go and pay. That ọjọ́ 30 days or 30 days wọ́n bá ti pay náà, we request for our money and our money will be paid into our account. So I believe by the time you join today, after 30 days, a lot of testimony. It will not just be bad. That's just it. It will surprise me, man. Surprise. You know me. Until I go out put on my day. So something like this can still exist. Pẹ̀lú bí gbogbo everywhere ṣe wà scam all over. So let us be alerted and join MMM community. So we have some lingo that we use in MMM community, the abbreviations. So if we look at the last page of the book, it is there. That last page of the manual. So you have PH. PH means provide help. We have GH. GH means get help. We have PO. PO means personal office. That is online account. Then we have downline. We have upline. We have payment. We have proof of payment. POP. Tabati lọ sanwó fún ẹni ká sanwó fún tẹ́lá tabati gbà bank oníbàṣẹ máa upload rẹ̀ so that system máa mọ̀ pé òótọ́ la san owó. So we get the teller from the bank, we upload it. That's what we call POP. Then we have electronic fund transfer. We have direct deposits. We have CRO, àwọn ní control and revision center officer. Sorry. So àwọn ẹ̀rọ monitor system fáwọn tó bá ti fẹ́ mú wá tí ó dá àwọn ẹ̀rọ they are just like police for the system. So that's just it. Bóyá sanwó fún yàn ẹni wá sọ pé òun ò lówó àgbọ̀n report ẹni káwá ti report ẹ̀ báyẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ máa bá ọ̀ settle it. So or any problem báyà lè login something like that then àwọn ẹ̀rọ máa bá wa solve it. So that is that about that. So all we need to do is just to register and become member of MMM community and for us to provide help for us to be able to do what? To get help. So to get a candy browsing phone, please let me tell us that because kìí gbogbo èèyàn ló ní browsing phone, kìí gbogbo èèyàn ló like the internet, and people don't know much about that. But there are ways we can do that for you. There won't be any problem. What we just need is your interest and your concern about it. So it's just a matter of choice. Nobody can be forced to do anything. So, but we are boldly telling you that you join MMM community between 1 to 2 months, your life will change financially, and you'll be financially free. So, one thing I want to say is that MMM will not give guarantee. That is the true ideology of MMM. MMM, there is no guarantee in MMM. Yes. So everything in life is a risk. We must not convince you beyond conviction. Yes. We need to preach the true ideology of MMM and the real ideology of MMM. So everything in life is a risk. But if you can take that risk today and try it, the way it has worked for every one of us that are here, I also believe that it will work for you people too. So that about MMM Nigeria. So personal office here, register. You can just log in to www.nigeria-mmm.net. So tó bá ti open, you will see registration. Click registration. So then fill our forms to back to one bed. Then if you want to log in, we log in through www. Everything is in the manual. We see it there. Or you can contact our numbers or any of the numbers above, or you see us. Though after this brief talk, we will have a amaduro for registration. Registration. That we just need to write our details. So then I'm actually registration in the form. And if you want to contact us, you contact us on WhatsApp, through call, and any other thing like that. But then by the time that about the member, I want to host seminars like this. We will be going to hospital to go and do charity for people. The less privileged and the people that are not financially okay, be able to go and give to them in hospitals, and we can go to churches like this and give things to people of God. That does it. So that is that about that. I don't know if there is a question concerning all I've been saying. Báyà ní ìbéèrè bóyá àwọn ọmọ wa tí ò yé wa tàbí bá a ṣe sọ yẹn it's just like magic or it's not so clear to us. So ẹ jẹ́ ká béèrè question. Let us ask question. If there is anything that is not clear to us, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Do we have question from? Is there any question, please? Àwọn táwa ní question ẹ jẹ́ ká náwó wa sórí ká béèrè. We are having question. But maybe there is something we didn't understand. Àbí kankan wà ká fẹ́ mọ̀. Báyà tàbí so please let us ask question. Yes. Ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tá a sọ ló yé wa? Ó yé wa? No question. Okay, thank you, man.
Question mi ni pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn tí ò ní owó tó bá wọn ó tẹ̀ pé 17,000 ṣé kò lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú owó kéréje ni tàbí ẹlòmíràn tí ò ní bank account tí kò lè ṣe àbí ẹni tí ò mọ̀ ń pa kọ̀ǹpútà kiri tí kò lè ṣe.
Ẹ ṣe màmá ẹ má bínú ẹ kí sọ pẹ̀lú àwọn kan tí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú 1,000 naira minimum of 1,000 naira ẹ má bínú pé mo lọ ń dárúkọ 1,000. I'm so sorry. We can start as low as 1,000 naira. Nǹkan tó lè bí wọ 17,000 lẹ́ẹ̀kan ni pé if you want to get the registration bonus of 7,600, you need to start with the minimum of 17,000. So àwọn tá a bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú bí 1,000 àti pé we will be given 30% of 1,000 which is 300 naira after 30 days. So we can start as low as 1,000 and we can provide help up to 2.2 million naira. So in a month. So kí lè ṣe pé báyà tá a bá ti ṣe ní oṣù yìí pé àtúndé ṣe mọ́ a lè máa provide help every day. Báyà mo ní 10,000 lẹ́yìn mo provide help ọ̀la mo ní 2,000 èyí mo ní 1,000 kàmá tó bá dá next month náà a ṣe máa gba owó wa náà tẹ̀léra nìyẹn. Then concerning the use of internet and stuff like that kò jẹ́ jìnnà ká mọ̀ nípa internet. So if we don't know about internet or that new phone to the computer equipment, there is way we can do it for you. But àwọn tó bá fẹ́ máa ṣe fúnra wọn tán fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa internet yẹn, we can put them through also. So kò jẹ́ jìnnà ká mọ̀ nípa internet, kò jẹ́ jìnnà ká ní computer, kò jẹ́ jìnnà ká ní phone to browse before we can join. So I don't know if I've answered your question, man. Okay, bank. So bank is compulsory because tá a bá ní bank tá a bá fẹ́ gbowó pé wọ́n máa san sí fún wa ẹni tó máa sanwó fún wa àgbọ̀n ó lè jẹ́ Hausa kan tó máa ṣèyàn pẹ̀lú wa. I forget to tell you now in Nigeria we are almost 300,000 in Nigeria members. MMM started in Nigeria November 2015, November 17, 2015. Now our ní August 2016, November la ṣe máa wọ a year. Then at the end over 300,000 participants throughout the state now. Nothing she said, nothing she presentation lady. If you get the learning now, there is a presentation going on at Kapebuk Unity Road. The learning MMM presentation on. So we are spreading needs weekly through seminars, presentations. So people are joining. So that our low bank and my bank pẹ̀lú wọlé ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ èkó ló wà. Báńkì wa ló gbọ́dọ̀ sanwó sí káwa ti máa rí aláàtì ní. Táwọn ẹ̀ka táwọn akábálẹ̀ ìfẹ́ sanwó káwọn náà ti sọ sí báńkì náà nù. So but Our bank, we need to get bank account, please. Or whatsoever we Nabasha get it. But again, issue of diamond yellow account. You need to simple that only phone that my open. Diamond yellow account, MTN diamond yellow account. Only phone. People who have one people and they open for ECC, and the account number will be sent to you. Is your account, so you can use it also, and it works. So, if I've answered your question, man. All right.
Bí ẹ ṣàlàyé fún wa pé àlè ìyàwó ṣe báyìí bá ti wá èyí ló bá wù wá láti ṣe láti lówó tàbí òbí ṣe ọ̀tá lè mú èdè ṣe kárí ọmọ wa tàbí ẹnìkan tó fẹ́ ṣe pé kò lè jù láti rẹ́jísítà bóyá oṣù kan látà ìlú àdúrà ọ̀rọ̀.
Náà nǹkan tí ẹnìkan sọ pé ká máa yáwó ni pé wọn fẹ́ afẹ́ kéjì láì fà àwọn èèyàn ni. Tó ní advice ni pé ẹ lọ gba owó tó máa tún fà ní wàhálà. But if you know you have the mind to borrow, check it me ma. But tẹ bá kó débẹ̀ ṣọ́ máa mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yà tani máa mọ̀ pé owó ẹ̀yáwó yìí o kò sẹ́ni máa mọ̀. But a máa ń bíjẹ̀ pé ká máa yá owó ló wà láwọn tó yáwó wọn lẹ́bi wọn ẹ̀mí mi gbé mo 300,000 200,000 ló wọn dẹ̀ ń gẹ̀ tó wọn padà o ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ti understand me báyìí ma. So we can borrow but we preach not to borrow. But ẹ bá borrow nobody will know that we borrow. Báyìí ni wọ́n yáwó bẹ̀rẹ̀ nígbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbàgbọ́dẹ̀ kó omi débẹ̀ náà wọ́n sì dára pé àwọn ọ̀dáwó èmi. So that's it. So a lè mú délé, we can give it to anybody to read. We have the steps and the procedures to follow are there. Then one will join, but it will be good for us to join. Aláwọ̀ tó yáwó ṣe lóòótọ́, but it is well. So that's the lesson. Nígbà wọn kàn sọ ni pé àti ìṣòro tá a bẹ̀ bá a lò àbí ìgbà àti ìlò for now tá a bẹ̀ pé torí tá a bá provide them yẹn ó lè dáfta 2 weeks tá a bá join tá a provide yẹn ní ma ní ká san tá a bá dẹ̀ tẹ̀ ní ká san 48 hours náà máa fún wa ká fi san ṣẹ́mọ̀ tó bá yẹ kó owó tó dẹ̀ sí lọ́wọ́ láti lọ́kọ́ pé a fẹ́ fi provide yẹn tá a dẹ̀ wá lọ ní ká san tá a wà lówó san kọ́ máa block wa nílé join wọn kó má dẹ̀ wá lè dà tá a bá rí ọ̀rẹ́ wa tó ti join tó ti táyẹ̀ tí wọ́n á change táwọn àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yìí mo dẹ̀ bọ́ wàrà mi ṣe ra mi tí bá mọ̀ kí n ṣe owó tó yẹ pé agbára mi ká so we have money I have people that started with 200,000 naira people that started with 100,000 150 160,000 àgbàrá tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú 2,000 so 300,000 thank you sir so that's it that they are getting their money and everyone you are seeing here they are all testimonies bó ṣe rí yẹn. So I pray God will help us in the name of Jesus. So kò tí ì pẹ́ jù question okay pé ṣé after a month ìgbà tó máa join ìgbà tó bá we can join today and provide help anytime we have the money. Àwọn tá a bá lè rà pé we have assurance of money somewhere we can provide it. Tó lọ́jọ́ tá a bá ti provide it na mama account ìṣọ̀jọ́ tá a bá san owó lè jáde na mama account. Tá a bá join lé ní tá a bá provide help lé tá a bá yín kọ́sẹ̀ pé ẹni bá bá yìí owó fẹ́ provide help of 5,000 o today is 13 of next month ló máa kà pé máa kóṣù kan tó máa gbowó pé ẹ provide ẹ lẹ́ni ní kó fẹ́ anybody ó lè dá after 2 weeks náà tó ṣe sẹ́ǹdì ìgbìyànjú sí ni pé order yìí ti dé o wọ́n ti rí ẹni tó nídìí 5,000 ẹni ìwé lè kọ́ tó wọ́n á pay the money ó lè jẹ́ 3 weeks time wọ́n tó máa kẹ́ tó sún ó lè jẹ́ ọ̀la anytime ní but ní kátà máa kà ní pé since mo ti ṣe lé ní on 13 of next month mo máa gba owó ìpadà so 30 days yes.
Àwọn tó ti kọ́kọ́ wọ̀ ọ́ gbogbo wọn fún ẹni times 2 owó náà ń ṣe tó ara àwọn ìyẹn náà ló tún wá pè wá pé ó yá pé kí n wòye lọ́kù o mọ̀ sí akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tẹ́gbọ́n làwọn ṣe ẹni àrígbé 419 ló èkó ní mọ́tò ẹ̀ kí n gbowó lówó.
mo sọ fọmọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan wọ́n mi ṣe máa ń gbówó lọ ẹ máa ń gbówó lọ rẹ ni good mmm ò ṣe company o ẹ nígbà owó lọ́wọ́ wọn ní gbówó lọ́wọ́ anybody free is everything registration gbogbo àwọn tó wà báyìí wọn ní gbówó nǹkan community lélẹ́yìí kò sẹ́ni tó lè ní kó wá sí ilé mi kan pé kí wá gba owó padà after 30 days tí mo máa kó mi lọ I personally will not take my money to the place táwọn yẹn bá sá lọ́wọ́ but eléyìí online you just register you say it that I want to provide help ọkọ náà máa ti rẹ́ni tó ní ìdí help nínú community wọ́n á sọ pé ok ẹ lọ sọ oúnjẹ fún ẹni báyìí báyìí ó ti ní ìdí owó ìyẹn ni pé kàtítà mi náà bá ti tó ẹ̀yin náà ẹ̀ béèrè pé owó yìí ti pé ká ti lè so wọ́n tún máa wá àwọn èèyàn míì káwọn náà ti provide help kalẹ̀ wọ́n á tún send ẹ̀kún yín pé wọ́n sanwó fún wọn yín so that's how the system has been running. MMM is now in over 200 countries. 200 countries. Now having over 280 million participants. So, and Nigeria, November last celebrate 1 year, November 17, by the grace of God in Nigeria. March the beginning, when I joined there, we were just like 10,000 participants. But to the glory of God today, we are more than 300,000 participants in Nigeria. So, MMM will go lọ́wọ́ ìtọ́jú. Wọ́n kàn máa jì wá community of people providing help for people need. So bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti èdè fẹ́ fowó ràn lọ́wọ́ tó bá ti rẹ̀ tó ní bẹ̀ wọ́n á sẹ́yìn orúkọ ó nọ pa ẹni wọ́n á sẹ́yìn sí ike lọ sọ́wọ́ fún èyí máa sàn fún o máa lọ. Pépà ti dè sí wájú pé èmi náà gbẹ̀ sí pé mo ti ràn lọ́wọ́ láti pè owó tèmi wọ́n máa sẹ́yìn náà tó ti fẹ́ provide help náà wọ́n á sẹ́yìn kó sanwó náà fún èmi náà. Ẹni yẹn náà èèyàn mélòó tó padà sanwó fún and so on. That's how it's working. So that's so kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín máa gbé báyìí owó máa gbowó yín sálọ. It's not a company like that.
But just for when you taste it, try it with any amount. When you see it, you know it is true.
Mo ní àwọn ìbéèrè díẹ̀ bí ó lè pé wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ dáhùn tó pọ̀ mẹ́rin. Dẹ́mbẹ̀ láti ibi tí àwọn ọmọ yẹn parí sí. Náà tí nígbà tí ìyàwó máa ṣe registration tó bá fún yàn ní àkáǹtì ẹnìkan á sáìdì owó sí. Àwọn wo ni wọ́n máa fún yàn ní àkáǹtì ẹ̀ ṣé within àwọn tó rẹ́gísítà ní tàbí in a community tí bóyá wọ́n tẹ̀ rẹ́gísítà ní àwọn visa. Then ẹni àdéhùn nígbàdàn ti tọ́jú wa náà wípé wọ́n fún ẹni ìlú náà kọ́nsẹ́ǹtì owó sí wa fún help. Ṣé help yẹn tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn ṣé ara àwọn bonus tẹ́ ń sọ tàbí bonus either bonus or bonus registration bonus tàbí percent yẹn ń sọ 5% yẹn ṣé ara ìyẹn ni tàbí help yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo bonus tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn ìyẹn àkọ́kọ́. Ìkejì ẹ sọ ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wípé ẹ ń ṣe network pé ẹ wà fún help náà. Báwo la ti fẹ́ sure náà pé this program now is not the networking because gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe present yìí tó báwo la ti fẹ́ sure pé it's not networking. So another one wọ́n sọ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọ́n ti get that nípa ti bonus yẹn pé only start with 1,000 naira. Yes. Then ẹ̀sọ́ lẹ́kàn níbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wípé this program is ó wà ní is a risk ọdún wa kọ̀ pé everything is a risk. But wáyé pé risk báwo wáyé pé ẹ fẹ́ fún ẹwà fún ẹ̀ láti fa ọwọ́ ẹ̀dẹ́ láti mú ọkọ̀ ojú oṣù ọwọ́ àìní. Bá lè wo community náà, bá wo tí àwọn èèyàn bá sùn náà. So àárín ní pé bí ó bá wọn ẹ̀mí ní agbára. Irú kan láti àwọn tó bá ní agbára tó yẹn. Kí ni for fight ní ọ̀dẹ̀? That's another, this is another one there. So let me go to another one now. Now, what's your relationship? As a how we call it? Yes. ok wọ́n yọ kó máa kò ní ẹgbẹ́ mọ́tà lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan ok.
All right, thank you, sir. Simbama, question here. Sorry for the interruption, please. If I will get the question, the first one you ask, on the way, ẹni tó bá ti jẹ́ mẹ́mbà wọn lè ní kẹ́ sanwó fún so ẹni tó ṣe mẹ́mẹ́ o kò lè kówó lẹ́mẹ̀mẹ́ so àwọn àtàwọn ti jẹ́ mẹ́mbà náà ní details wa so abájẹ́ ti request wọn máa máa tiwa náà pẹ̀lú mẹ́mbà tó fẹ́ provide the help ló máa sanwó fún wa iṣẹ́ nípọ̀lì tó bọ̀ wá ń gbòòrò lásán so we are talking of the MMM community. Thank you, sir.
Ó ní ọ̀dà rẹ̀ náà.
Okay.
Tí wọ́n fẹ́ sanwó fún wa náà.
Okay.
Rọ̀ wá tájọ́ mi náà sanwó sí.
Fún yàn kan tẹ́lẹ̀ náà.
Ṣé ní nínú 30% ìjọba ìtajà máa ń sẹ́yìn nìkan ni àbí ẹ̀ẹ́dì tí ẹ̀ sọ fún kẹ́kẹ́ ẹ̀ sí mẹ́rin.
Ṣẹ́ni àti bonus àti owó tẹ̀sán káàdó àti interest everything will be paid to your account. Once everything will be paid to your account until you get it you will leave it.
Yóò ti clear.
Okay.
Sorry, let me explain to you, okay? Ṣé bá provide.